Hello again. As I told you before, now we are going to install the software that we are going to use throughout our practical activities. Firstly, you must choose a browser and navigate to QGIS platform. The first information that appears here is about some history, some rules, but the most important that we need from here is that this software is free and open. That's the reason we are using it during the training. So click QGIS and choose download the installer. Here we have two options. The first one is QGIS 3.32, which is the most developed, but I would like to advise to use the most stable version. In our case is 3.28. Maybe because the most stable version will be suitable for us as beginners, and we wouldn't have crashes and problems during its use. So we choose the installer and save in our computer. Since we have the installer downloaded in our computer, we can run it. And just accept the default agreements that we have here and install. If you have the information that the software was installed properly, you go to the search menu and look for QGIS. And open it. If you open it for the first time, it must take a while, so we are waiting. This is the interface of GIS. Here you can see that we have the menu bar, tools bar, browser, from where we can choose information from our computer, from databases, information from different kind of services, I mean XYZ tiles, WMTS, WFTS, and so on, or just to use default maps that we have here. Here we have the layer menu. You will see all the layers that are used in a project. Down we have the status bar. Here we can see the projection, the scale, coordinates, and if you make some movements on the map, you will see that the status bar will react immediately. And of course, the most important here we have the canvas or the map area. This must be the biggest part of our graphical user interface. Of course, because we are working with maps, with data, with interpretation, with different kind of tools, and we must know what is going on. Yes. For the first time, very important is to save the project. As I told you, we use free and open software. So just to be sure, we must save the project. We are going to project, save as, and give it a name. Let's say 1. And save it, just in case. And of course, for the first time, I think we have students that have different native languages. So it would be important to change the language of graphical user interface. To do that, we are going to Settings, Options. We click on Override System Locale and choose the language you are used to. I mean, maybe Romanian, Russian, Italian, and so on. We will use Romanian for user interface translation, and for numbers, dates, and currency formats, we also will use Romanian, but Romanian Moldovan. Yes, because we are from Republic of Moldova. And click OK. The graphical user interface language will change at the next project that we will open. For now, I would like to say thank you very much indeed. If you have some problems, issues with installing the program, so let me know.